Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and now I want to show you one very cool life hack that is related to the file. To be more precise, how you can use the file in the car. I think everyone has had long unplanned stops during their trip at least once in their lives, or it could be another time when you give your child a phone in the car to watch cartoons. So now I will show you how to make sure that the child doesn't have to hold the phone in his hands. So, first you need to remove the head restraint from the front seat. Then take the file and put it on the headrest mount in this way. Now, we return the head restraint to its place. Here is such a cool phone or tab holder you have. Now the child can safely watch cartoons, although I'm sure that such a cool auto life hack is suitable not only for children. Well friends, if you liked this tip, put your thumbs up under the video. Also subscribe to my channel, I have a lot of interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!